Welcome, everyone, to this hands-on tutorial on importing drive test data in TEMS Discovery. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you're confident in handling this crucial task. Accessing the Import Drive Test Data dialog. Let's kick things off by getting to the Import Drive Test Data dialog in TEMS Discovery. Click on this File menu. Select Import Drive Test Data. You can also use the shortcut, Ctrl+I. The Import Drive Test Data dialog will now open. Supported data format. Step-by-step import process with option insights. Now that you're familiar with the formats, let's dive into the import process, highlighting key options and their practical use. Click on a select data format and add files. Here, you can handpick specific entities for import. Opt for options like global UDRs or specify a target project/dataset. This helps in organizing data efficiently for different projects, ensuring smooth analysis and reporting. Define target project and dataset names. This is crucial for categorizing data for distinct regions or scenarios, simplifying future access. Specify collection date or skip if unavailable. This ensures accurate timestamping of data for chronological analysis. Define time offset, optional. Use this to align time for data synchronization in multi-source scenarios. Explore options like merging Teams DCX to MSX, renaming device labels, and more. This is handy for combining data from different sources or devices for comprehensive analysis. Additional options for advanced analysis. Now, let's delve deeper into some supplementary options and understand their relevance in specific scenarios. Apply antenna gain offset. Rectify signal strength disparities for precise network performance assessment. Include multiple levels of log files parent folders. Establish a hierarchical data organization, a boon for large-scale network optimization projects. Define default device attributes. Ensure uniform device profiling for seamless analysis. Assign device attributes using templates. Efficient batch processing of data with similar device configurations. Initiating the import process. At this juncture, let's kickstart the import process and witness the impact of our selected options. Click the Import button. There you have it. Now, let's delve into an essential feature of TEMS Discovery, user-defined regions, often referred to as UDRs. User-defined regions enable you to create customized geographical or logical areas within your data. This can be immensely helpful when you want to focus on particular zones, like high-traffic urban areas or specific network cells. For example, if you're conducting an analysis in a large metropolitan area, you might want to narrow down your focus to certain neighborhoods or streets. UDRs empower you to zoom in on these areas, extracting more detailed insights for precise network optimization strategies. You've now confidently mastered the drive test data import process in TEMS Discovery, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more insightful TEMS Discovery tutorials.